Looking for the best SmartStitch embroidery machines in 2025? In this video, we review the top 3 models that combine precision, technology, and ease of use. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, these SmartStitch machines are perfect for stunning designs and efficient stitching. Stay tuned to find your ideal embroidery companion. Number 3. The SmartStitch S1001 is a powerful next-gen commercial embroidery machine that delivers professional-grade performance in a compact and lightweight design. Featuring 10 needles, a maximum speed of 1200 SPM, and a 7-inch touchscreen, this machine is built for versatility and precision. With a generous 9.5-inch by 14.2-inch embroidery area, it handles flat garments, hats, t-shirts, denim, leather, and more with ease. One of its biggest strengths lies in its automated features: auto thread trimming, color changing, thread break detection, and even laser embroidery positioning. The self-lubrication system and stable aluminum frame ensure long-term durability and quiet operation. SmartStitch also includes a starter pack with threads, stabilizers, and bobbin thread, helping you get started right away. User feedback praises the S1001 as a great machine for both beginners and professionals. One user said it helped expand their embroidery business quickly, and they found setup and learning straightforward with the help of video tutorials and active support. Another reviewer noted the machine's reliability and community support, though they advised patience with customer service response times. Overall, the S1001 is a feature-rich, user-friendly commercial embroidery machine that delivers on quality, speed, and value, making it an excellent investment for embroidery enthusiasts and small businesses alike. Number 2. The SmartStitch S1501 is a powerful and versatile commercial embroidery machine designed for serious creators and business owners. With 15 needles, a large 14-inch by 20-inch embroidery area, and blazing fast 1200 SPM speed, it's engineered to handle complex, multicolor designs with precision and efficiency. The 12-inch touchscreen and Wi-Fi capability make navigating designs and updates incredibly user-friendly. Ideal for 3D caps, flats, t-shirts, bags, shoes, leather, and more, the S1501 includes high-end features like automatic color change, laser positioning, and a 270 degrees wide-angle cap system. Its smart control system and sturdy aluminum frame allow for stable, quiet operation. The machine ships with a starter pack embroidery threads, stabilizers, and bobbin threads, so you can get started right away. User reviews rave about its quality and support. One user, transitioning from a single needle machine, praised the convenience of not re-threading every color, calling it a major upgrade. Another user appreciated the responsive support team and vibrant online community via the SmartStitch Facebook group. If you're looking to expand your embroidery business or scale up your output, the S1501 is a robust, feature-rich machine that combines performance, ease of use, and excellent community support, making it one of the best investments for professionals in 2025. Number 1. The SmartStitch S1501 Plus Beast lives up to its name. This commercial embroidery machine is a powerhouse built for professionals and serious embroidery businesses. With 15 needles, a massive 24-inch by 16-inch embroidery area, and speeds up to 1,200 stitches per minute, it handles large, intricate designs on t-shirts, caps, flats, and more with ease and precision. Its 12-inch touchscreen interface provides an intuitive and efficient user experience, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy file transfers and software updates. The S1501 Plus also includes top-tier features such as automatic color change, laser positioning, and SmartStitch's renowned smart control system, making it one of the most advanced machines in its class. Though specific user reviews are not listed, the S1501 Plus Beast builds upon the highly praised S1501 platform, known for its reliability, vibrant user community, and responsive customer support. The larger embroidery area makes it ideal for businesses looking to produce more detailed, high-volume custom work without compromising quality. Whether you're expanding an embroidery shop or starting a production line for apparel or accessories, The S1501 Plus offers the speed, space, and smart features you need. It's a future-ready investment for embroidery professionals who demand performance, durability, and creative freedom all in one machine. Thanks for watching our review of the top 3 SmartStitch embroidery machines in 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Drop a comment below with your favorite model or any questions you have. Happy stitching, and we'll see you in the next video.